High school bus. Did you say high school bus? Whoa. You like that? Ay, yun pala yun. Is there snow already, Jelana? Look at the snow. You don't like snow, Jelana? You like summer? Snow or summer? Okay. So we're ordering Mickey D's. What are you ordering, Dad? Okay, I'll just have the same with you then. Same as that. Yeah. You know what? In Anchorage, the dog fell on the window. Yep. Yeah. See. Well, yeah. I know. Yep. It's a flower. It's a plant. Oh yeah. It's a plant. Okay. Well, BC. Okay. Hi, Kelsey. So we're gonna go for lunch. Oh, we're gonna go inside. Oh,